Yay! Excited na, Kira. Yes, kayo ba excited namang Itechi Warrior? Ano ba yung tinutukoy mo si Markos? Bakit parang hindi ka na mapakali? Another jutang na naman ba ite? Hindi lang siya basta jutang, tita. It's a financial tool na talagang sobrang makakatulong sa atin. Sabi nga nila, it's a powerful daw na credit card. So, alam niyo na kung anong tinutukoy ko. Pero, oops, teka lang. Mag-subscribe ka muna. And click na notification bell para every time na magkakaroon tayo magantong video review, kayong unang maaambunan ng chika boom boom. Antaray, pa-follow na rin ako sa Facebook page and at sa TikTok. Doon tayo maaura ng bonggang-bongga. Talaga naman, mahilig tayong mag-post sa Facebook. So, follow me on Facebook. Ano naman ba yan, si Markos, ang tinutukoy mo? Kung maalala nyo, meron na tayong video ginawa dito sa Zed Credit Card. Yes, it's Zed Credit Card. So, panoorin nyo yung video na Itechi. Ilalagay ko yung link dito para mas madali nyo na lang siyang i-access. Antaray, may mga playlist din tayo ng mga jutangan, tita, at mga legit na jutangan, and of course, mga ola-ola review. Panoorin nyo din ang ating playlist. So, ito na nga. Balita ko, Mima. Itong si... Good news! Itong si Zed Credit Card, Mima, ay may BSP license na! Nakapag-secure na siya ng license from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, kamakailan lamang trending siya sa aking newsfeed sa Facebook. Ang update mula sa Zed Credit Card. So, ito, from business.inquirer.net, startup firm Zed Philippines Inc. on Wednesday said it has secured a license from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas to operate as a stand-alone credit card issuer. This marks the next step in its business venture in the Philippines, where it is eyeing to onboard close to 40,000 users initially. So, sa mga nakapag-join na sa waitlist, Mima, kung hindi ka pa pala nakakapag-join sa waitlist, o i-click mo yung aking link dito para mapunta ka dun sa waitlist, tita. So, all you have to do is just to click the link para masama ka sa waitlist na tinatao. Sa waitlist na talagang para makapag-apply dito sa credit card ng Zed. Okay! So, eto na nga. Okay, so himay-himayin natin ng very light itong si Zed Credit Card and its features and benefits, kasi last time hindi natin masyadong natakil yung mga features and benefits ni Zed Credit Card. So, ngayon, hihimay-himayin natin. Okay, so ito yung homepage ng Zed Credit Card. Chinek ko na sa App Store and Play Store. Wala pang app. Wala pa siyang app sa Play Store. So, siguro wino-work pa nila and everything. And dito sa website ng Zed Credit Card, wala pa ding page na nagsasabing pwede ka na mag-apply. Instead, join the waitlist. So, yun pa rin yung nakalagay dito sa website nila. So, ito yung makikita nyo pagbungad pa lang sa landing page ng Zed Credit Card. The credit you've always deserved. Be the first to get the card that's changing everything. Join Zed today. So, ito yung waitlist, tita, ha. So, pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-sign up sa waitlist, go ahead, click my link para ma-direct kayo sa waitlist na tinatawag nila. So, the most powerful card you've ever seen. Talaga, gaano ka-powerful Itechi Warrior? Groundbreaking technology meets and match convenience and control. No other card comes close. Antaray. Okay, so ito yung kanyang features and benefits. As you can see, wala siyang interest, tita. So, never pay for more than your purchases. So, paano sinasabing yung interest? Ang credit card, dapat may interest yan, hindi ba? Paano kikita ang bangko or ang credit card issuer kung wala siyang interest na pinapatong? So, ang sinasabi dito, hindi ka siguro ang context nito, hindi ka ma-charge ng interest as long as you pay the full amount each month. Is that right? Siguro ganun nga, pero alamin natin yan kapag nag-launch na officially ang Zed Credit Card. Tapos may sinasabi dito, no foreign transaction fees. Get the best currency exchange rate. So, ibig sabihin, you can use this card worldwide because it is a MasterCard credit card wherein you can use it anywhere. MasterCard is accepted, including abroad. So there's no transaction fee pag ginamit mo doon, tita. Okay, that's very nice. Some of the credit card companies or bankos, some of them charge foreign transaction fee at least like 1% foreign transaction fee. Pero wala pa akong nadinig na bangko na hindi nag-charge ng foreign transaction fee. Kung may alam kayo, pa-comment naman. And then no annual fees. Get the best card for free. Is it true na wala talaga siyang annual fee without any strings attached? Talaga ba? Kasi may mga condition yan eh. Like dun sa ibang bangko, sinasabi nila no annual fee, but the condition is you have to spend this certain amount using the credit card para ma-qualify ka sa no annual fee. Baka ganun din yon. I'm not sure, 'di ba? Kasi wala pang detail eh. And it's a titanium card. Transact seamlessly and secure worldwide with a premium credit card. Titanium means yung para siyang metal or para siyang hindi ko siya ma-describe kung anong itsura. Is it like a steel like card, something like that, na parang pag ginanon mo tutunog? Tama ba? I'm not sure about that. Abangan natin. And then unlimited virtual cards. Have peace of mind while buying online. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-generate ng virtual credit card to use it in buying online. So, ibig sabihin, mas secure nga siya kasi paiba-iba yung card information or virtual card information na pinoprovide mo. So, oo nga naman, hindi ba? So, less worry when it comes to safety ng ka-impormasyon nyo online. So, okay ako doon. And data-driven application process, get a fair credit limit based on your current and future earnings. So, papaano yung basis nila? Yung measurement nila ng pag-approve at pagbigay ng credit limit. So, sabi niya, based on your current and future earnings. So, kailangan meron kang ipakitang savings account or statement of account from your bank na ito yung ino-earn mo monthly. Ganun ba yon? I'm not sure ha. So, abangan natin. So, very exciting itong stage na to kasi nga nakapag-secure na sila ng license from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, magiging regulated na sila by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a stand-alone daw. Stand-alone credit card issuer. Meaning, wala siyang partner na traditional bank dito sa Pilipinas. So, as in solo siya na mag-ooperate. So, ito yung sneak peek ng kanyang interface. As you can see, may ganyan siya. So, available to spend. Like, ito yung available credit limit mo. Okay. So, okay siya. Very sleek and simple yung kanyang interface. The best of all worlds, sabi niya. Okay. Clarity and transparency. I like the color of the card. It's a neon green. Right? It's my favorite color. Okay. So, I like it kasi kitang-kita siya. As in, lumulutang yung pagka-powerful niya, tita. Diba? Kasi it's neon neon green. I like the color. And here's the benefits. Okay. So, all online purchase protection because yun nga, gagamit ka ng unlimited virtual cards. So, you don't have to worry about the data na binibigay mo when you purchase something online like sa mga Lazada, sa mga Shopee, mga ganon. And zero liability against unauthorized transaction. Okay, so I hope hindi siya hassle dispute dito sa Zed Credit Card when it comes to unauthorized transaction kasi some banks would take more than 30 days para maayos nila yung unauthorized transaction. Meron pa nga dyan yung iba na sinasabi valid daw. So sana hindi maging hassle yung Zed Credit Card when it comes to disputing unauthorized charges. Tapos Global Emergency Assistance. Okay, kung ano yan, i-check nyo na lang. Pero I'm sure this comes with the MasterCard benefits, yung Global Emergency Assistance. And concierge service. So, antare, di ba? May pa ganun siya. Everyday deals on restaurants. So, just like some other credit card or bank na nag-offer sila ng mga promo and discounts for specific restaurants, mga ganon. So, okay siya. And Travel discounts, of course. Hindi mawawala yan kasi nga ito more of pang travel din talaga na credit card, hindi ba? So, ayun. Pretty much the same features and benefits you get from some traditional banks sa Pilipinas. Kasi ako meron akong flex credit card with RCBC eh. So, parang same lang din yung, papang ganun, malapit na lang din yung kanyang benefits and features. But, pero hindi ko pa nakikita dito yung feature kung saan pwede mong i-convert yung credit limit mo, yung available credit limit mo into cash. So wala pa akong nakikitang ganun dito. So maybe inaayos nila or baka hindi natin alam. So let's watch out for that. Okay. Trusted, credible, and regulated daw. So we are a BSP supervised financial institution with operations headquartered in Manila. Ganyan. Alright, check pa natin yung other information. Baka may makita pa tayo dito. Eto, meron siyang FAQ. Okay, check natin. Is the Zed card a credit card? Yes, Zed is a MasterCard credit card that can be used globally, online, and in person. Okay, so eto na nga. Does Zed charge interest? No. Oh, no daw. Zed is a type of credit card called a charge card, which means that your payment is due in full at the end of your statement period and your balance does not revolve. Hindi siya revolving card. Because of this, interest will never be charged on your purchases. Hindi siya revolving credit card, tita. So you have to pay first your due in full at the end of your statement bago mo siya magamit ulit. Really? Ganun ba yon? So, how does Zed make money kung hindi siya nagcha-charge ng interest? Okay, sabi dito, as the credit card issuer, Zed receives a portion of network fees on each purchase called interchange. The network fees are paid by the merchant, not the cardholder. Okay, antaray. And does Zed charge an annual fee? No, Zed does not charge an annual fee. Also, wala. And wala din siyang condition. Walang sinabi dito, tita, na kailangan may qualifying purchases ka bago ka mabigyan ng no annual fee. Wala, as in sinabi niya dito, no, Zed does not charge an annual fee. That's it. Okay. Kung ganun, okay na okay siya. Does the Zed card work internationally? Does it have foreign transaction fees? Zed works internationally with any merchant that accepts MasterCard. Zed is the perfect travel card because there are 0 foreign transaction fees. So ito din ang isa sa mga kailangan nating malaman. How do I pay my Zed bill? You can send a fund transfer via InstaPay from your bank or e-wallet app. Simply generate a QR code or copy the account number from the Zed app and pay the full amount due on your statement. Your payment will be reflected on your Zed account instantly. No waiting or worrying needed. Sabi dito, tip, you can also share the QR code with others. This is useful for getting paid back directly to your Zed card by friends or family when you go KKB. So sabi dito, paano yan? What happens if I don't pay on time? Madelay ka. For some reason, na-delay ka, hindi mo nabayaran on time. If your payment is late, your Zed account will be paused and you won't be able to make any purchases with your Zed cards. You'll still have access to the app and all your account data will reach out and work with you to get your account back to good standing. So mapopost siya. Hindi mapopost siya panandalian. So once you pay the full amount, saka siya gagana. So parang siya, alam mo yun sa postpaid bill ko, parang sa Globe postpaid ko, kapag na-delay ako, hindi ko nabayaran yung total amount, nadi-disconnect yung service ko. Parang ganun yung kanyang datingan, no? So, well, let's wait for their announcement, their official launch. Baka marami pa tayong makukuhang detalye. Sana ma-invite tayo sa mga event kung meron siyang launch, media, press event, mga Kembolar, ganyan. Baka naman, Zed, charis. So, ayun, diba? Let's wait for that. But for now, as I mentioned, you guys interested? please click the link below. Meron tayong join the waitlist dyan. And again, wag natin kakalimutan, kapag nabigyan na tayo ng chance para makapag-apply, know the terms and conditions, be a responsible Jutangera! Taray! Maraming salamat! Don't forget to subscribe! See you on our next video. Excited na ako kay Zed. Sana ako na-approve niya na ako. Yung mga iba hindi ako na-approve. Kagaya nung si ano. Ayoko na sabihin. Charis.